Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Shifting State. Today, you're here because you want to be a motovlogger. I'm here to help. First things first, getting started. What exactly is motovlogging?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shifting States. Today, we're going to talk about starting a YouTube motovlog. So, if you're new to the channel, you know that's what I do. I ride around and I talk into a microphone to entertain you guys while providing some nice scenery on my Harley Davidson Roadster here. And yeah, just talking to you guys. And it's basically a lot of talking. It's me talking about my life and what's on my mind while on a motorcycle. But if you clicked on today's video, like I said, it's probably because you're interested yourself in starting a motovlog channel. So to get started, first off, of course, you're going to need a motorcycle. Okay, 2 wheels. Could be 4-2, you know, get your 4-wheeler or something. But you're going to definitely start off with a motorcycle. Get that motorcycle, get comfortable on it, ride it for a little while. Because, I mean, that is definitely key because you're basically multitasking at this point. You're riding and you're talking. And it's easy to be talking and kind of get distracted, so you really have to pay attention to what you're doing. Second, you're going to want to go ahead and get your equipment that you need. Okay? So, you're definitely going to need your helmet. You're going to need that for riding your motorcycle anyways. Then, what you're going to do is get your nice action camera, whether it be a GoPro or whatever. I use a GoPro 5. Works really well. Make sure you're at least recording in something like 1080. That's resolution, if you didn't know. So, get you the camera. And quality is important, so keep that in mind. Then you want to get you a nice microphone. Once again, quality is important. Get you a nice microphone, invest in something. There's multiple different cameras. I mean, there's multiple different microphones out there to choose from. A lot of people, a lot of motovloggers, actually, popular motovloggers, they prefer the Purple Panda I've heard a lot about. I actually bought a mic for like $8, and it was recommended by another YouTuber, and it's been working really great for me. So, get you an action camera, get you a good microphone, you got your helmet. You're gonna have to figure out a way to mount it, that camera, to your helmet, of course, so you can ride around. And you can't just be like riding around holding the camera. Very dangerous. Don't do that. Anyway, so you got that stuff. The next thing, you definitely want to have a nice laptop, computer, whatever, something that's going to work pretty damn good. Then you want to go out there and buy your software. Buy some good software. I started out with Sony Movie Maker, or I believe that's what it's called, Sony Movie Maker. Then I upgraded to I think it's Vegas Studio Pro. I really recommend that one. And when I started making my YouTube channel, I've been doing this for about 2 years. I was kind of intimidated, you know, as far as editing videos and everything, and those were really easy to work with. And it's basically just, it's drag and drop stuff, and then you learn your little tips and tricks along the way on how to, you know, achieve the editing that you want to do, like speeding up, slowing down, color, you know, cropping, all that good stuff. So get you some good software to do all that, so you can, you know, go out here, record, because it's not really just as easy as strapping a camera to your helmet and then riding and talking. Believe me, you're gonna ride, you're gonna start talking, end up messing up. I done messed up about 3 or 4 times just trying to record this video. So get that, get your editing software, get yourself going. Then you can move on to figuring out a name. And I mean, figuring out a YouTube name, that's all up to you, your discretion, how you want to go about doing it. You know, me personally, I sat on my name for a while before I finally figured it out. And I finally came up with Shifting State. So that's me. And, you know, just work on something, and then once you got a name, you can maybe draw yourself up a cool little logo or something. You don't have to. But go and create your YouTube channel at this point. You know, you got your name, create your channel. Very important things is presentation, of course, when it comes to doing this stuff. So you want to make sure you have your good camera, like I told you, good quality, because you could lose people's interest real quick with just distortion and all that stuff. So good camera, good audio, you know, and then even your YouTube itself, your page, when you go to your channel, your channel art, as far as your wallpaper and, you know, stuff like that, edit up something good, pop it in there, and most importantly, don't get discouraged too starting out, because you're learning. And I'm going to tell you, and I'm not saying like I'm a super pro right now, of course not, but you know, the things I've learned when my first YouTube like video that I posted up was basically, it was horrible. It was basically, I had my wife hold my GoPro, which was like an old GoPro at the time, and just record me going down the road, and I popped that up there. Yeah, so don't get discouraged. It's basically like, the more videos you upload, you end up finding your own little way and your own style. So I definitely, don't get yourself discouraged. Just, you know, go out there, have fun with it, and keep in mind too, don't go out there, oh, okay, we got something interesting up here. Don't go out there and trying to compare yourself to the bigger YouTubers and stuff like that, because that stuff will consume you and eat you up, and it's very distracting. You need to focus on what you're doing, achieving your style and building your channel. I mean, definitely go out and watch, you know, other YouTubers, because I watch other big YouTubers too, like motovlogging and everything, to get ideas and everything like that, and that definitely helps. So, but just don't get discouraged. Work on your style, and like I said, I've been doing it for about 2 years now, and I think I finally found like my little niche. And I mean, like I said, when I first started, my stuff was horrible. Hold on guys, let me hope everybody's okay. Oh, and with this accident in place, that's actually another thing with your YouTube channel. Keep in mind, if you go riding on your motorcycle and you're a motovlogger, take that GoPro with you, and always be recording, because you never know what's going to happen. I had my friend Thomas, he has a YouTube channel, he just started, and we did our Virginia Revolution run, and he just started this channel stuff, and he was recording all day, and right before he ended up laying his bike down, he cut his GoPro off. And I just looked at it, I was like, dude, rule number one, always be recording. So yeah, always be recording. Another tip is your thumbnails. Thumbnails are very important. Thumbnails is what grabs people's attention. So that's another little tip. That's an obvious tip too. You want a good picture that kind of, you know, grabs it. Other YouTubers, they go out there, they add like little words and little highlights and everything. I'm into photography and everything, so I like to just, you know, post a good picture up there, you know, of good quality. I try to at least. And you know, that's how I try, that's my goal, that's how I try to grab people's attention. So you got your thumbnail, then after that, when you go to create the title for your video, you want something that's going to be well searched. So if you notice, like in a lot of my videos, I always put, you know, Harley Davidson, Sportster, Motovlog, and then I put whatever in the title. And the reason I do that is because I know, or I assume, a lot of people search Harley Davidson Sportster, you know, so that's what helps people find my channel. Especially if they're interested in Sportsters, they might be interested in, you know, watching my channel and my content. So As far as that, you got that, you post it up. With YouTube, you definitely want to make sure you are constantly posting, like you have a routine. Mine, I try to post every Tuesday, so I'll say it again, I post every Tuesday, and I'll post it in the morning so it's available Tuesday for everybody to watch. So you want to make sure you have that regular basis, and the more consistent you post, the more YouTube is actually going to put you out there. So once you got that, you're consistent in everything, and when you are posting, another thing to keep in mind too is those tag keywords. When you go to post in the little comment box, those keywords, those tags, they really help people find, you know, your channel too, or your content. So keep that in mind. So, and forgive me if I'm all over the place with this stuff. I'm just trying to give you, you know, for the 2 years experience of what I've been doing and what I've learned, these are just little tips that I've picked up along the way, and I know they're like small, but they definitely help. And I think I'm just going to finish off with, most importantly actually, if you're going to start a motovlog channel or a YouTube channel at all, you have to make sure, this takes up a lot of time. I mean, between my work and my personal life and everything, I actually get out here and, like, whenever I get on my bike, I'm like, I'm recording, because I don't really have a whole lot of time for myself. So with that part said, if you're going to do this, make sure it's something you love to do, you enjoy doing it, because this is supposed to be like a creative outlet. You're supposed to enjoy it, and man, there must be like a lot of accidents today, but you're supposed to enjoy this and have fun at it, because trust me, if you don't enjoy doing this, or this isn't like a passion for you, it's going to eat you up, and you're going to just end up hating it. But like me, I enjoy riding, and I actually enjoy, I really enjoy making video content, taking, you know, pictures and stuff like that. So this is something I like. I would definitely love to make a living out of it, so hopefully one day. But let's see, I need to go up here and take a right anyways. But yeah, guys, if you start this motovlog stuff, just make sure you enjoy it, you're passionate about it, because it's definitely gonna be a lot of time invested in doing this. And since we're at a standstill here, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Of course, ride safe, ride warm, because winter is coming. And thank you for watching. Definitely hit the subscribe button, notification bell, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. If you have any other helpful hints, like if you have your own channel, or even if you have your own channel, drop it down in the comments, you know. So I think that's a big thing too, the YouTube, especially the motovlog like community, we should be helping each other, like giving shout outs and stuff. So if you got one, go ahead, drop your channel down in the comments, name, what you ride, and all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.